How's it going, everybody? My name is Ian Hughlett and I'm a ceramic artist from Louisville, Kentucky. So recently I've been hand building these vessels right here. Here's all the tools I've been using to do that. Out of this whole bunch, my favorite tool is this Fettling knife. This is a Fettling knife, or a potter's knife. Basic simple knife. Most of them are rounded off. Had this one a little bit customized, sharpened a little bit, made it a little thinner so it cuts clay easier, doesn't drag, gives you nice clean slices. Mostly used in hand building, which I do a lot of, cutting a lot of small pieces of slab and stitching them together. It slices, it dices. You can use it for decorating. Mostly I use it to get nice clean cuts out of things. So I've got these really crisp edges to work with. So that's my favorite tool. Have a good day, y'all.